How to add subscribe button on Facebook page. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can add subscribe button on Facebook page. So let's just dive right into the video and do it. So for that, you can head over to page account first, and once you are here, you can go to your profile and open your profile. From your profile, you need to go ahead and look for the professional dashboard and open up the insights from here. You will be led towards the professional dashboard here. And in the professional dashboard of your Facebook page, you should be finding different options available. So from these options, from your home page of your professional dashboard, scroll down and go ahead and look out for this section, which is monetization. Just go ahead and look out and then tap on see all. Once you are here, you should be finding different options. At the last, you should be finding option that says subscriptions. So if you want to enable this option and add the subscribe button, tap on this option right here. And then you need to go ahead and look out for these options here, your criteria and everything. After that, you need to tap on I'm interested. But first thing is that tool should be available for you. You need to be eligible first of all, and once you are eligible, you can just go ahead and tap on I'm interested, and they will give you the subscribe button for your Facebook page. So that is how you get subscribe button on Facebook page. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.